Let's solve this initial equation that we have on the board together. Very easy. Now, if you observe this equation, the first thing we need to do here is just to make every term in this equation to have the same base. And the least base in which you can represent them is simply to the base of 3. Of course, 9 can be written in the index form of the base of 3 as 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. Then in bracket, the initial power, which is 2x plus 1. Then divided by 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3 in bracket initial power, which is x plus 1, or equals 1 can be written in index form of 3 as 3 to the power of 0. Of course, 3 to the power of 0 is 1. Alright, if we solve further, opening the bracket, so we're going to have that 3 to the power of 2 times 2x is 4x. Then 2 times 1 is 2, that is plus 2, over 3 to the power of 3 times x is 3x. Then 3 times plus 1 is plus 3, equals 3 to the power of 0. Okay, whenever you are dividing number of equal base, all we have to do is just simply pick one of the base and subtract their power. So if we do that, we're going to have that 3 to the power of 4x minus, let's just subtract the powers correspondingly. 4x minus 3x is just x. Then 2 minus 3 is definitely negative 1, equals 3 to the power of 0. Of course, they are the same base. We can do away with their bases and equate powers to have that x is minus 1 is equals to 0. And if x minus 1 is equals to 0, that definitely means that x, taking this negative 1 to the other side of the equation, becomes positive 1. So that means x is equals to 1, and this is the value of x that will satisfy the equation on the board. Bye bye.